Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to make a magnet, or by this small activity we'll learn about making a magnet. For this, you just have to take a one iron rod and lie that iron rod on the table as shown in the figure. Hold the bar magnet vertically at one end of the iron rod so that one of the pole of the magnet, either it's be north or the south pole, touches the iron rod. Rub the magnet along the length, okay, in this direction, and then lift it up and again repeat the process. Okay, you are not rubbing it in this way, you just rub the magnet this way and then uplift it and then again repeat the process so that the molecules of this iron is be come in a same direction, and then this magnet is behaving, then this iron rod is behave like a magnet, and you have to repeat this process for at least 40 to 50 times. You have your iron rod then be magnetized. Okay, so how simple is to convert any simple iron piece into a magnet, right? Now we are going to discuss about precautions while handling magnets. uh, because magnets is be a very important thing nowadays. There are so many uses of magnet in our day-to-day life, so we'll have to use these magnets very carefully, because if we are not using it in a right manner or in a right way, then it get be demagnetized. So, whenever you are using or handling magnets anywhere, you have to follow these precautions. So, never hit or beat a magnet with anything. Okay, you always take care of this thing. You never hit or beat a magnet with anything. Okay, rather using a hammer or any other hard object. Do not throw a magnet or lift it fall on the surface. Okay, don't throw it on the on floor or anywhere, because as in case of the magnets, the molecules of the magnet always be in a one direction. If you throw it or hammered it, what can happen? These molecules are be scattered in other directions, like this way. Okay, so this type of means molecules, means rearrangement of molecules is be called as a demagnetized. Okay, now this magnet is be called as a demagnetized, and this is be as a magnet. Okay, where the molecules are be arranged in a single direction. So even do not heat a magnet. Okay, so if you just anytime heat it, then again their molecular arrangement can be changed and this magnet is be demagnetized. Okay, so there are certain objects in our homes whose working gets be affected in the presence of magnets. You can observe this thing a number of times whenever you are just placing any of your electronic device near a magnet, so the functioning of that electronic device get be affected due to the presence of magnet. So you always avoid this thing to put or to kept magnet near your television, radio, transistor, tape recorder, remote control, or any of your computer or any other electronic device. Okay, always avoid this thing. Thank you and have a nice day all.